Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
The Justice Sword is generating a lot of buzz, as it's set to be a significant addition to Clash of Clans next year. This legendary item promises to bring fresh strategies and powerful new options to your base and battles. Everyone is curious about its special powers and how it will change the game. Getting ready early means you'll be among the first to wield this incredible new weapon when it arrives. Acquiring the Justice Sword will likely involve specific in-game activities, perhaps a unique event that tests your skills, much like other legendary items. It could also be a major reward for reaching certain tiers in a future gold pass, or even a special purchase option in the shop. Staying flexible with your resources and strategy will give you the best chance to get it. To prepare for the Justice Sword's release, it's smart to focus on maxing your Town Hall level and upgrading your primary attack troops. Having a strong offense will be crucial for any potential challenges. Start accumulating a solid stash of resources, including gems, as these will be vital for quick upgrades or any special offers that might appear. Every bit of preparation now will put you ahead of the game next year. Staying updated is key. Always keep an eye on the official Clash of Clans social media accounts and the in-game news tab for any specific announcements about the Justice Sword. Many reliable content creators often share insights and detailed breakdowns of upcoming features, so watching their videos can be incredibly helpful. Engaging with the community on forums or fan pages is also a great way to stay informed and discuss potential strategies. The Justice Sword's upcoming arrival in 2025 truly marks a new era for Clash of Clans, promising exciting new strategies and powerful changes to the battlefield. By starting your preparations now, you'll be perfectly positioned to acquire and master this powerful new item. Get your village ready, save up those resources, and look forward to wielding something truly special in your battles next year. This legendary addition is sure to create a lot of new gameplay possibilities for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.